Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, Medical Store Billing System. And I have developed this project in Java, Spring Boot, Angular, and MySQL. For MySQL version, I am using the 5.6. For the Angular version, I am using the Angular 8. And on the Java Spring Boot side, I have used the Hibernate and the JPA. Some of the native query also I have used. And for ID, I have used STS for developing the Spring Boot application, and for Angular, we have used Visual Studio Code, right? So these all technology stacks I have used for developing this project. Also for front-end development, as I told you, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with Angular, right? That is not pure JavaScript, but yes, JavaScript libraries are there, right? So these technology stacks we have used. Right. So the project title is Medical Store Billing System, and this is a mini project developing Angular, Spring Boot, and MySQL database. And there are two types of UI we have developed here. The first one is the admin, and second one is a admin login page. Right. So you can see this is the admin login, and once you log inside the system, you will get different UI. Right. So there are two types of UI available here. Right, so means we have designed this UI according to the layout. Right, so let's start with the functionality. Go through that. What we have implemented. What are the functionalities available inside this project, medical store billing system or administrating system. Right. So for running this project, you need to import the Spring Boot code into the STS and run it, and database into the MySQL and Angular on the CLI or Visual Studio Code, and you can run the npm install, and after that you can run this application on the port 4200 because this is the default port of Angular. Right? Once you run this page, then you will get the login page first. Here you need to enter the username and password. If API, if your microservice is working properly, then this will work perfectly, right? So the user ID is amit@gmail.com and password is test. Once you log inside the system, then you will get this dashboard. Right. So these operations we are performing inside the project. Right. So let me go through one by one. Right. You can jump on the menu either clicking on this menu or either clicking on this menu. Right. So this is the dashboard. Right. From here you will get all of the operations which you can perform. This is a start cell. Here you can start the cell for the medicine. Here you need to enter the customer name and the customer mobile number. So I'm entering the customer name is Kumar, and anything you can enter in the mobile number. Once you click on the start cells, you will get the sales dashboard. Right, you can see this is a sales dashboard. Here this particular drop down will contain all of the products which you have added earlier into the database, right? So here you need to select the product and the quantity. So once you click the quantity, then total cost will be calculated automatically. There is no need of entering the calculation part, right? The vaporizer, suppose I'm entering 5, so you can see the things are calculating automatically. Right? If you want to delete any item, just click on delete, and that item will be deleted from the cart. After that, if you want to add, then you can add also. Right. So once you complete the cells part, then you can click on the save cells. Once you click on the save cells, then all of the information of this page will be saved inside the database, and you can access those information later also. Right. Once you click on the save cells, you can see the information. Then order number is 106, and this all information has been saved into the database. Right. You can print the receipt also from here. Right. So this is a sales flow, sales dashboard flow, sale invoice flow. So this is the most important and critical part of the project. Now click on the order report. All of the order which you have which you have made earlier will be displayed here. My current order is 106. Once you click on this arrow icon, then you will be able to see your order details. This is a product report. All of the medicines which you have added will be displayed here. You can see all of the medicines which you added is displaying here. You can edit and you can update the details of the medicine also from here. This is add product, means if you want to add new medicine, then you can add new medicine from here also, right? These drop downs, you can see this is the drop down one, this is the drop down two, both are the dynamic drop down, and the value of this drop down are coming from the database. Right, this is ad product. This is a company report. So you can see in the ad product section, this company has three options, right? Because there are three companies available here. So this is a master data. You can edit and update here. If you want to add more company, then you can add more company from here. And after that, you can delete it also from here. This is a category report. All of the category which is available here will be displayed, right? You can edit and update. You can perform certain type of CRUD application here. This is a add category also. From here you can add the category, and you can add more category according to your requirements. This is a logout. Once you click on the logout, all of the session will be destroyed and you will not be able to access the internal pages. So let me show you. You can see your session has been destroyed and you are not able to access the internal pages. Once you log in, then you are able to access the internal pages, right? So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project medical store billing system. And as I told you earlier, this is a mini project developed in Spring Boot, JPA, Hibernate, MySQL, and the Angular. Right? If you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.